Yes, so now we are discussing about installation problems, Windows installation problems. While installing Windows, drive is not appearing. What is the reason? At the time of installation, automatically, if you put the CD, installable CD, if you, in the CD drive, or enabled USB drive also, if you are CD drive, if you are installing, automatically it will install everything, even though certain times um, after that time, suppose if you want to install, the drive will not appear. Suppose for even generally you nowadays all are using SSDs, solid state drives, 500 GB and second 500 GB will be there. That time what will drive 0 will have CD and drive 1 will have DE. Remember it. Especially in SSD, so many drives are you can install in the PC. But drive 0 means in this we can discuss at C drive and D drive. And drive 1 means E drive and F drive. Likewise, analysis everybody will do likewise. That time what happens is drive is not appearing. What is the reason? If drive 0 is not appearing means C and D will escape. So how to solve such problems we can discuss now. Reason is drive 0 is infected by virus so that it is not appearing. How to solve it? For that solving, first Windows, go to Windows prompt. How we can go? Suppose at the time of installation it will ask to troubleshoot. Windows prompt also will be there. Likewise, or otherwise if Windows are going on very well, that means it is going to command prompt, then you can go to command prompt and then go to DOS prompt. In that C colon, you have to type CD space C colon backslash. Then it will go to the C drive. Then you can give the command in command prompt, DOS command prompt, list drives. Then disk 0 and disk 1 will appear. In that selected drive, in that drive 0 and drive 1 will appear. Disk 0 and disk 1 will appear. The listing will be considered, but it will not appear in the drive G at the time of installation. That time, select drive 0. Then you have to select drive 0. Then the prompt will come to drive 0. Then you have to clean that drive 0. Once cleaning, automatically from the from the bottom of the virus, that is boot to drive infection is there only, these types of problems will come. Otherwise, at the time of installation, if you format it, it will go everything. But if boot drive is damaged, with 0 boot drive is damaged means this type of drive 0 is not appearing. Likewise, problems will come. For that only, first we have to do is go to DOS prompt and list CD space C colon backslash, then list drives, and then drives will appear, drive 0 and drive 1. Then you have to select drive 0. Then you have to clean. Then automatically it will clean out. Format will take around 3-4 minutes, but clean will give immediate information for clean everything, because it is cleaning the drive, so it will erase everything. Then virus will be cleared, but data also will be cleared. But you have to reinstall a C drive, Windows C drive. Then it will access drive 0 also while installing Windows. So then it will access drive 0 also while installing Windows. Then you can install Windows in drive 0. C drive, it will ask continuous installation messages. Type OK. Then everything will be installed. Personally, I faced this problem, so that only I am saying. So I created this video to share all. This is the information. So at the time of prompt will come in 2 ways. At the time of installation, it will give troubleshoot, command prompt. Likewise, commands will give. If it is giving command prompt means you go to command prompt, then go to C drive, and then list drives. The DOS command is list drives. If you give list help means so it will give the commands also, but all these are not required. At the time of emergency, we cannot study all these things, commands. So first list drives, list space drives. That command you should put. Then automatically disk 0 and disk 1 will appear. Then what you have to do, you should select drive 0. Then command is also select drive 0. Then it will go to the drive 0 and it will be selected, but it will not do anything. Then you should command clean C. Clean, C-L-E-N, clean, not C drive and D drive. Both will be cleaned. So clean means drive 0 will be cleaned. Whatever will be there in drive 0 will be, especially generally we will do with C drive and D drive. So all these two disks, two drives will be erased. Then so clean. While clean means in minutes of time it will clean everything, because what is the reason is cleaning, formatting means it will take for the time being according to the control of drive. But in control of the disk, C drive or D drive likewise. But in drive 0 means completely what is there in the D drive. D drive will have C disk and D disk. So both will be erased. Then once cleaning means your virus will be cleared, data will also be cleared. Then it will access drive 0 also while installing Windows. Then you can start Windows installation in drive 0, then C drive. It will ask continuous installation, messages, type OK, then everything will be installed. Personally, I faced this problem, so that I created this video to share with you all. Wishing you all the best.